Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Food from Home. This is a very special series for me, and like I said in the previous episode, that it comes straight from my heart. So I really hope that you're enjoying this, and I've come back for another special episode. I'm taking you to some special kitchens, cooking with some special people. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and show it some love. As you might have noticed, I am back in my mom's kitchen today because I have asked her, requested her to show me how to make methi paratha, which I've shared in the past, but she makes it differently to how I make it. Not the stuffed methi paratha, it's the methi paratha where we're going to add things to the dough. So it tastes very different to the stuffed one, and I'm very excited to share the recipe with you. So come along. Is the fenugreek I keep talking about all the time. Fresh fenugreek leaves, coriander, spinach. So these are the fresh fenugreek leaves we bought from the market this morning. Mom's chopping it, getting it ready for parathas. You buy them in bunches. Actually the same size, similar size bunches you can buy in UK as well. And she's just finely chopping the leaves. So we don't really use the stems, they're quite hard and bitter. So we just break the leaves and use just the leaves. Yes, here she is. आज क्या बना रहे हो?
मेथी के पराठे.
Okay, so not your regular stuffed one, but a different
मेथी
one.
के पत्ते के पराठे.
Okay, so these are methi leaves paratha. अभी तो season में.
बहुत सीजन है.
So it's in season, and as you know from my previous vlog that we went to the veg market and we got some fresh fenugreek leaves, and that's what we're using. Okay, so क्या कर रहे हो?
मेथी के पराठे बना रही हूँ.
Okay, so she's making methi parathas. She chopped the fenugreek yesterday. Chalo, go for it.
सबसे पहले उसको थोड़ा धोएंगे.
Okay, so she's just going to wash the fenugreek she chopped yesterday. So she's taken half bunch of fenugreek.
अब 2 मिनट जरा सा पानी उसका वो हो जाए.
Okay, so just leaving it in the sieve to get rid of extra water. Normal atta.
हाँ, नॉर्मल आटा. इसमें थोड़ा सा बेसन डालने से इसका स्वाद अच्छा हो जाता है.
Okay, so she's got 1 cup of atta, which is chapati flour, and 1/4 cup of besan, which is chickpea flour, and then goes in half a bunch of chopped up fenugreek leaves, and of course 1 chili. You really need a little bit of heat, finely chopped, and then a teaspoon of cumin seeds, teaspoon of chili powder,
जरा सा कलर के लिए.
just half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Good little mix.
और थोड़ा ऑयल.
So 2 tablespoons of oil. On my channel मैं एक्चुअली बना चुकी हूँ और मेरा फेवरेट है. इट्स वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट वेजिटेबल्स, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कॉन्ट रियली फाइंड इट वेरी ऑफन. द फ्रेश फेन्यूग्रीक एट द मोमेंट इट्स इन सीजन इन इंडिया, सो आई एम मेकिंग द मोस्ट. आई ऑलरेडी हैड द स्टफ्ड मेथी आलू paratha which I had on day 1, and now I'm having a slightly different version where it's methi dough rather than filling, which actually tastes very different to the sabji.
हाँ, सब्जी के टेस्ट में और इसमें तो फर्क होता ही है.
बट ये आटे को आप छोड़ सकते हो क्या, क्योंकि पानी नहीं निकालेगा पत्ते?
नहीं, क्यों हमने पानी कम डाला ना. जितना पत्ते का पानी था वो भी आटे ने सोख कर लिया ना.
Okay, so very little water because the leaves release moisture too, and I would say best इसको उसी समय use कर लो ना. Best to use the dough straight away because it's not one of those where you can just leave it like chapati or paratha flour dough. तो कितने बनाएगा ये? I think 4-5.
5-6 बन जाएंगे. लकी मेरी मेथी ज़्यादा है.
Got white makhan, which is homemade white butter, and she just made this yesterday, so she usually puts that inside, but you guys watching at home can just use normal butter or oil. Nice hot pan, and in goes the paratha. So we're cooking this in ghee, homemade ghee, but you can cook this in oil, butter, olive oil, anything you like.
हम इंडियन घी प्रिफर करते हैं ना.
The only thing is कि you have to cook this for a little while क्योंकि the atta has besan and stuff, so it needs to be cooked slowly for a bit.
थोड़ा सा ही.
Right, we're digging in. So you can have it with ये white मक्खन का taste बिल्कुल अलग ही है. You just can't get the flavor of white butter anywhere, and unfortunately we can't make it in England, which is a shame. But if you're watching from anywhere else in the world, do try. But you can make the methi paratha in England too. It's a different taste to stuffed paratha. I've said that earlier. It's crispy. It's got that besan ka flavor. It's got more bite to it. I wish I got methi in UK like this.
ले जाओ थोड़ी सी पत्ते तोड़ के.
She's saying take some from here. बहुत सही है. I really hope you try this because I know a lot of you have seen my video and decided to use the seeds to grow fenugreek at home. So please do try. Let me know your thoughts and come back for another episode of Food from Home soon. Bye.